In this tutorial, let's learn how to create this bar graphic using conditional statement. Here is the sales, cumulative sales in the first semester and the cumulative sales in the second semester. If you see the raw data set, we don't have the variable semester. We have the variable order date here. And you see that it is month, days, and year. Then for this variable order date, we have to create the variable semester. Let's create the variable semester. Go to Analysis, and you go here, Create Calculate Field, and click. Then write the name of the variable, for example, semester. Then write this code here. If date part is the function, they partition the date. I want to partition based on month, and the order date, the variable that you saw before, is smaller than 7. That means the first 6 months will be the first half of the year, and the rest will be the second half of the year. I mean, the structure of the code is if then. If this condition is satisfied, then first half of the year. If it's not satisfied, then the second half of the year. Now let's drag the variable sales to rows. See that the cumulative sales. Now we can break it based on semester. Just drag semester to columns.